Hello fellow unicorns, welcome to another video. Today's video is brought to you by Dodin's Marbling. I will be linking their Etsy shop with these exact water marbling sets in the description. And today I'm doing my very own first ever try at water marbling, aka painting on water. As you can see, the sets are coming with all of the tools, bags, useful foils, colors, little mixing tools, and carrageenan, which is an organic seaweed based powder for creating the base for the colors. As you can see, they also included a lot of examples and types of papers you can use for your water marbling projects. The box containing this set is actually a tray you fill up with water and continue to put the carrageenan powder inside for the base mixture. I did a little mistake and actually filled it with cold water, which is not something you should do, so I tried again with some lukewarm water, and then I proceeded to carefully mix in the carrageenan for about 30 minutes with just adding a little bit slowly until I got a really thick mixture of evened out powder inside of water ratio. I left the mixture overnight, and then in the morning I covered my entire workspace with the provided sheets. This is very important because these colors don't come off of your furniture or clothes. This is why the set provides you with some disposable plastic aprons you can throw away after use. Now we're ready! Make sure to prepare some newspaper strips, some disposable plastic cups, and a paper towel. You will be using the paper strips to carefully peel off the upper layer of bubbles so that they don't interfere with your art. And you should also have a waste bucket ready under your table to dispose of these paper strips. Shake the colors well before use, especially if they are metallic colors. You can combine the colors amongst each other to create new colors, just like I tried here by mixing blues and reds into some sort of a purple. I wanted to use my first design to try and create some sort of a galaxy inspired look. I wanted to combine the purples and blue colors and then later on add some gold colors. The problem with the metallic colors is that they actually tend to divide into their liquid form and the metallic grainy form, and the metallic grains actually try to fall through the base and fall through the colors, so you need to keep them thoroughly mixed with your paintbrush inside of the little mixing bowl or the disposable cup. This is very important if you want to have your golden paint as golden and shiny in the final project. I tried using the mixing stick to create some sort of little star shapes, but since this is painting on water, it's extremely hard to get some shapes going around. So painting or drawing on this medium is really difficult. I guess you will need some time and practice to perfect it, but I'm really glad on how it turned out. You can use different tools available to create many different effects. I like splattering the gold effects, but I also love using the metallic needle to just use these pointy shapes and swirl around to get this design. And I'm preparing something really special for these designs in my new video, so I'm going to tell you all about this at the end of the video. But let's talk more about the papers that I will be using here. So I have two different types of papers received in this set, and it's quite a good amount of papers. This first paper was a little bit thicker, I believe, but it's really soft and it does get all of this color really soaking in, and as you can see, there is this instant result of transferred colors, like everything is just as it was as I put it on the water. So let's try to do another of these designs, and I was using the other half of the provided colors so I wanted to go more vibrant by adding some pure blue and pure yellow and pure green with some golden details later on. And I really love how vibrant this looks. I used the provided tools to get some swirly and pointy shapes again, and I don't know why, but this current look reminds me so much of like wings of a butterfly, and I just had to like get this here look on my piece of paper. Between the two designs you intend to make sure to get your paper strips and just remove the residue from the previous drawing so that you don't get your drawings or designs mixed up. Also, when you're putting the paper on the surface of the water, make sure to hold it by the diagonal edges. I know that this may sound complicated, but it's actually really simple. Although, small warning for all of you guys, this is a messy technique. It's an easy but really messy technique, so prepare that your arms will be covered up until your elbows, and definitely make sure to have few things in mind when you're trying to clean up and dispose of this water base. This water base is extremely thick, and it should not go down the sink. You should dispose of it by throwing it down the toilet or straight into the sewers if you have a house and live somewhere where you can just go and get it straight to the sewers. And after you have cleaned up your workspace, make sure to leave your wet art to dry on an even area like a table or a floor surface, but make sure to cover this surface with some provided foil. This is very important. So let's see how these turned out after 24 hours of drying. I'm very satisfied with these, and I'm so happy to announce that for my next video, I'm going to use these to create fashionable collage illustrations. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you would like to learn how to draw manga, please check out my book Manga Crash Course, available in 4 different languages, as well as my latest book Manga Crash Course Fantasy.